Hello Capricorn, welcome to your monthly August reading. This is going to be a general reading. This may or may not resonate for everyone. Please take what works for you and leave out the rest. We will be drawing 4 cards, one for the overall energy for the month, second to look at the challenges or blockages that may come across for you Capricorn. The third would be to get any advice from your guides or universe for the challenges that come across, and the final card would be for the outcome should we take the advice, right? Let's get started. We'll also draw an oracle card at the end of the reading to close the reading. Let's get right into it and see what is the energy for you Capricorn for the month of August. Capricorn for the month of August. Okay, we have Capricorn, we have the Star for you as the overall energy for the month. You might be healing from something in the past, or you might be manifesting something of your wish. It can also be a card of being recognized or hitting the starlight in terms of people coming to you or people recognizing you. We'll clarify this and see what this is about as we go forward. Let's look at what the challenge for this month is for you. Capricorn, the challenge for you this month is the 10 of Wands. You have been carrying some burdens and they have been weighing you down. It's almost the end of it, but then I think we'll have to clarify to see, but what I'm getting here is these burdens might be your own created. Sometimes Capricorn, you tend to take on more than what is required of you or expected of you. You have that habit or inherent ability to take more ownership, and that's what probably is bringing more burden to you. We'll have to clarify to see what this is about, but you're probably having your hands full with more than you can manage. That's the challenge. Let's look at what is the advice from Spirit this month for you. The advice is to take it a little light this month. Take out some time to celebrate. Capricorn, you tend to spend too much time working. So what universe is saying is put down your burdens, take out some time for yourself, celebrate, spend time with family and friends. There is life beyond work, right? So yeah, we will clarify this further, but it's more about letting your hair down and taking a breather from all the madness that's going around. In your outcome, Capricorn, let's see what's there in your outcome for the month. Yeah, outcome for the month is 3 of Swords. Let me just pull another card on this one. This might be some sort of we have the Death card. So your burdens might be causing you pain, Capricorn, what you have been working with, and it's time to bring about a change. There's a transformation approaching you. You might be very attached to what has been so far. Try to be open to this transformation, as growth comes with all these cycles of transformation, right? And to get to where you wish to be, to get healed, or even to, if this is a wish or a manifestation, you need to undergo a transformation and overcome the pain that you have been in to get there. And that's where old burdens need to be put down. That's your challenge, and you need to celebrate or embrace the new. That's your advice. Let's clarify all of this, but the message seems pretty clear here. For the Star card, we have the Ace of Pentacles. Yes, it is a new beginning or something fresh that is being offered to you, which also means that there's been an ending to a cycle, right? So whatever you are starting afresh is going to lead you to a very abundant, happy place. A Star is one of the most positive cards in the deck. Let's look at what is Ten of Wands about. Ten of Wands is clarified by the Strength. So you might have been thinking that doing more than what you have the energy to, or taking on more is a show of strength. But at times we need to realize where things are about being strong and where they become about being, stubborn and taking too much, right? So you might believe that the things that you have on your plate or the extra things that you're trying to do are a symbol of strength, but they are actually pulling you down and bringing you pain. So time to let go of the extra burdens which are not yours in your life. So Three of Cups, we get the Empress. So celebration is about being abundant. So Empress is nature, abundance. It's also a very motherly energy. For those planning a child, it can be a news of celebration. But in terms of advice, it's about embracing your natural self and celebrating that, right? And not trying to be something to prove to others. So here it's more about being grounded in your energy. Capricorn, Empress is a very earthy energy. You are an earth sign, so this is about getting grounded in your energy and celebrating yourself as you are, not try to be someone else by taking on extra burdens or extra responsibilities in life. Let's clarify the outcome. So for Three of Swords, we have the Five of Wands. So it's the conflict and drama which is causing you the pain, and probably that again is coming from the excess that you have brought in your life. Shed off things that you don't need to do. Again, Ace of Swords, truth or victory, but it's also a card of cutting out the negative or bad things from your life. So this clarifying the Death card clearly says that you need to embrace this transformation and cut out what is not serving you from your life. This can also be some sort of truth coming to fore about someone you really had belief or faith in, which will cause you the pain. That's what the Three of Swords is, right? So let's close this reading with an oracle card from the Keepers of the Light. Let's see what the message is for you. What is the message for Capricorn? So Capricorn, you get Odin, psychic insight. Your third eye is open. See the truth for what it is. Follow your intuition. So there is something which is hidden from you, some truth. You have been carrying someone's burdens, thinking that they're yours, but they are not. That's what's coming to foresight. And somewhere down, you in your heart, you know that this is not yours, and that's what's going to come to the fore. You'll just gain more clarity on that. So I'll leave it at this. Capricorn, let me know in the comments below how did this resonate for you. Do hit the like button if you like the video. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me. And that's all I have for today. I'll see you next time. Bye.